half boat pose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come down slowly. See how weak the abdomen is. If you feel shaky your legs, abdomen, it means our abdomen is not strong enough to hold us. Okay, we'll try one more time. Let's try one more time. Hold your thighs. Hold your thighs. Bend your knees. Lean back up.
Konsentrasi ya.
Tulang ekor, tulang pundak, tulang tegak. Ganti kaki ganti.
Jaya Jogja, okezone.com, sindonews.com, koran Sindo, Sindo Weekly.
Yoga ini merupakan suatu hobi yang sangat bagus, jangan pernah berhenti dan teruslah menyebarkan semangat hidup sehat ke orang-orang sekitar. Terima kasih.
Thank you for welcoming me so warm here in your country, in Bali, in this beautiful island, and I hope you will enjoy a lot this session. Yoga is a way of lifestyle, and you should enjoy your moment, and you should clean your mind of all the bad feelings. And thank you for welcoming me, and I wish you all the best in your life, and we will see you again, Bali.
Thank you. Namaste.
It is all about the lifestyle. Okay, it's not the stretching, it's not the meditation, it should be the lifestyle. And I represent here the Western Resort, Nusa Bali. I represent here the Heavenly Spa by Western. And we have some nice yogi here. So after this, we directly jump to our performance here. We have a small performance for you. So just please be seated there and let's enjoy the performance. Style of Western Yoga. Change. Start. Everybody. Start. Everybody. Strengthening your back. If you have any kind of problem in your back, you can practice this. If you want a stronger leg, so you'll practice the Utkatasana, name chair pose. Breathe out, bend your knees, going down, make a chair. Don't lean forward or backward, just be in the center nicely. And then again, bend your knees, breathe out, going down slowly. Perfect. Good. And off. Look up. For excessive back pain, it remove very fastly. One more time. Breathe in. And breathe out. Arch the back. Nicely. No need to push yourself so hard. And lift your heels up. Up. Side stretch. Your breathe out, come down. Pull your arms upward. Lift up, up, up. Balance yourself.
Ini percaya kalau hari rutin meningkatkan daya ingat memori yang sudah berubah. Vipassana atau vipassana. Inhale, raise your both arms up.
and look up, little bit. Maintain the position, breathe, balance. Half forward fold. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come down slowly. See how weak the abdomen is. If you feel shaky your legs, abdomen, it means our abdomen is not strong enough to hold us. Okay, we'll try one more time. Let's try one more time. Hold your thighs. Hold your thighs. Bend your knees. Lean back.